Do you feel like your Mac's menu bar is cluttered and unorganized? If you want a clean, customizable setup, Ice Menu Bar is the tool for you. Welcome to ARAM Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Mac's menu bar using Ice Menu Bar. If your menu bar feels cluttered and unorganized, this tool will help you clean it up and optimize it for a smoother workflow. First, open icemenubar.app in your browser. Click the download button. You'll see an option to pay. I highly recommend supporting the developer, but for this tutorial, I'll enter 0 in the price field. Enter your email address and click Get. Now download the zip file, open it, and drag the Ice app into your Applications folder. Open the app, then grant it accessibility and screen sharing permissions when prompted. Let's start with the general settings. You should enable launch at login so Ice starts automatically when you turn on your Mac. You can customize the menu bar icon by choosing one of the default options or uploading your own image. The Ice bar lets you show hidden menu bar items in a separate bar below the menu bar. You should keep this off since it can slow down workflow. You should enable show on click, hover, and scroll so you can quickly reveal hidden menu items by clicking, hovering, or scrolling in empty menu bar space. You can adjust menu bar item spacing using the slider. This is still in beta, but you can try it out if you want to tweak spacing. You can use the Menu Bar Layout tab to rearrange where each icon appears in the menu bar. Next, let's move to the Appearance tab. You can add a tint, shadow, or border to the menu bar in both light and dark mode. You can also change the menu bar shape. The full option extends the bar from left to right, while split creates space between sections. If you like shortcuts, Ice lets you set custom hotkeys for toggling hidden sections, searching menu bar items, and enabling Ice bar. These aren't required, but can speed up access. The important advanced settings are only these two, hover delay, and temporarily show item delay. You should lower the show on hover delay to a smaller number so menu items appear instantly. You can also adjust the temporarily shown item delay to control how long activated items stay visible before hiding again. This is only applicable when you have the Ice bar enabled. And that's it. With Ice, you can keep your menu bar organized, clutter-free, and completely customized to your workflow.